Mr. Samler's Planet by Saul Bellow. Significance of the title, Mr. Samler's Planet. The title Mr. Samler's Planet does not mean a real planet in space. The word, planet, is used in a symbolic way. It refers to the world as seen and experienced by Mr. Samler. The novel is not about outer space, it is about the moral and mental world of an old man who has seen extreme suffering in life. Mr. Samler is a Holocaust survivor. Because of his painful past, he sees the modern world very differently from others. He lives in New York, but he feels like a stranger there. The society around him seems careless, noisy, and morally confused. Therefore, the title suggests that Mr. Samler lives on his own planet *, meaning his own moral world, which is very different from modern society. Thus, the title highlights the main idea of the novel, that the story shows modern civilization through the eyes of a serious moral observer. Historical background. The novel was published in 1970 and is set in modern American society after World War II. This period was marked by social freedom, political unrest, violence, and the breakdown of traditional values. People were demanding rights and freedom but were often forgetting responsibility and discipline. At the same time, the novel carries the shadow of the Holocaust. Mr. Samler has lived through Nazi violence and genocide. His memories of war constantly return and shape his thinking. Saul Bellow uses this contrast between past suffering and present comfort * to question whether modern society has learned anything from history. The historical background is important because it helps us understand why Mr. Samler is so disturbed by modern life. He compares the discipline required to survive during the war with the careless freedom of post-war society. Characters. Mr. Artur Samler is the central character of the novel. He is an old Jewish intellectual who survived the Holocaust. He is physically weak and has poor eyesight, but he is mentally sharp and morally serious. He spends most of his time observing people and thinking about society. Mr. Samler represents conscience, moral awareness, and responsibility. The pickpocket is a minor but very important character. He represents crime, shamelessness, and moral decay in modern society. His bold behavior shows how evil becomes powerful when people remain silent. Mr. Samler's relatives represent modern society. They are careless, selfish, and dependent. They often fight over money and create problems. Through them, Bellow shows the moral confusion and materialism of modern life. Detailed summary. Mr. Samler's Planet is not a novel of action but a novel of observation and thought. The story follows Mr. Samler as he moves through modern New York, watching people and thinking deeply about life. Mr. Samler lives with or near his relatives, who constantly trouble him with their personal and financial problems. They live without discipline or responsibility, which disappoints him deeply. He believes that adults should live with dignity and moral seriousness. One day, while traveling on a bus, Mr. Samler notices a young man stealing wallets from passengers. What shocks him most is not the crime itself but the reaction of the people. Everyone sees the theft, yet no one stops it. This incident deeply disturbs Mr. Samler because it shows the moral weakness and fear of modern society. Later, the pickpocket even threatens Mr. Samler, showing complete shamelessness. This experience convinces Mr. Samler that when society ignores wrongdoing, evil becomes stronger. Throughout the novel, Mr. Samler remembers his past during World War II. He recalls hiding from the Nazis and witnessing death and cruelty. These memories are painful but important because they shape his values. He believes that suffering teaches discipline and moral responsibility. As the novel moves towards the end, Mr. Samler reflects deeply on life, death, and duty. He realizes that human beings already know what is right and wrong, but they often choose to ignore this inner moral voice. The novel ends quietly, emphasizing moral awareness rather than dramatic action. Themes. One of the central themes of the novel is the moral decline of modern society. The novel shows how people enjoy freedom but avoid responsibility. Another important theme is survival and memory. Mr. Samler's experience as a Holocaust survivor gives him wisdom and seriousness that modern people lack. The theme of responsibility versus freedom * runs throughout the novel. Saul Bellow suggests that freedom without discipline leads to chaos. The theme of isolation and loneliness * is also important. Mr. Samler feels alone in a world that does not share his values. Symbols. Mr. Samler's damaged eye is a symbol of partial vision but deep understanding. He may not see everything physically, but he understands life morally. The pickpocket symbolizes moral decay and the failure of social responsibility. The city of New York symbolizes modern civilization, advanced, crowded, but morally confused. Conclusion. In conclusion, Mr. Samler's Planet is a serious and thoughtful novel that examines modern life through the eyes of a moral observer. Saul Bellow uses Mr. Samler to question the values of modern society and to remind readers that true civilization requires responsibility, discipline, and moral awareness. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for more novels.